everyone, I am going to clean my oven using a chemical-free cleaner with ingredients that I already have at home. So I'm going to make a mix of vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and baking soda. And I'm going to put this natural oven cleaner to the test. So I mixed a half a cup of each of the 3 ingredients, and you're going to wind up with this blue foamy paste. And the best part, the smell isn't harsh. It smells really good. I'm gonna start cleaning now, but don't judge me. My oven is extra dirty, and I got it that way for this very occasion. Oh my gosh, that was really hard. And while it was a natural oven cleaner, it's not a magic oven cleaner. It took a lot more elbow grease than I initially anticipated, but bottom line, it works. So check out my now clean oven.
Kitchen hack.
I am never using this oven again.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.